approaches, warmth and gratitude fills the air. At Haozhi, we send our heartfelt best wishes to partners across the globe. This year has been a journey of dedication, hard work, and collective achievements. Happy holidays! Here is to a prosperous and fulfilling 2026 for you and your business. To all of our partners across the globe, we extend our sincere gratitude for working side by side with us.
Hello from Haozhi. This time of year reminds us that behind each great innovation, there are great people working together with passion and care. This is for you. This is for you.
From all of us at Haozhi, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!